The answer to this is very simple. The answer is yes, and for the following reasons. If you look at the land area, Somalia enjoys a big chunk of land area that's suitable for agriculture. In south central Somalia, there are two rivers, which is mainly called the Juba River and Shabelle River, that provide irrigation to a big chunk of land. And now, if you look at the environmental condition of Somalia, it's an area which is suitable for whole year round of crop production. Unlike other areas where you farm only for one season, here you have 4 seasons. All 4 seasons are suitable for agriculture production throughout the year. And the annual rainfall in south central Somalia exceeds 500 millimeters per year. If it's used and tapped into these resources properly, there will not be any problem at all. In addition to this, we're talking about the fishery sector as well as the livestock sector, which provide an immense food availability in the country. Now, if you look at the production level in Somalia, and this is according to the figures that's provided by FSNU and FAO Somalia, the production level is 250,000 tons per year. This is an average production, but the requirement in the country is double than that. Now, the production per unit area for maize in Somalia is only 1 ton per hectare, whereas the potential for the production of maize per hectare is from 10 to 15 tons per hectare. Now there is a big difference in this. And in fact, as SAG, we have worked in south central Somalia for the last 2 years. We worked closely with the farmers, over 3,000 farmers. We conducted demonstration plots to show the farmers the best production practices in maize. And this have resulted into 3, 4, 5 times